In this video, I will show you the best way to send money to Nigeria. So in my opinion, the best way to do this is Remitly. You may have heard of it. Remitly is probably the most popular way to send money internationally, and they have a lot of coverage in terms of countries. Now on top of that, you can actually get a discount if you sign up through the link down in the description. So when you click on that link, it will take you to this specific page where it will already be set to sending to Nigeria. All you need to do is right here select your country. So your country does need to be one of these right here. So it's pretty much every single country in Europe. Then you have Canada, Australia, New Zealand, the United Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, United States, and a bunch more. For example, if I'm from the USA, then I would click on that one, and then as you can see, sign up now and get $10 off your first transfer when you send $100 or more. So you can also download the app through this link if you want, or you can just click on send now right here in order to start immediately. Now I already have an account, but for you, you want to go and create an account, and that's really easy. It will only take a couple of minutes, so I'll just log into mine. Then you will see something like this, so go and click on send money. Then you probably won't have a recipient yet, so go and click new recipient. Now here choose how much you would like to send, and this will say your country. For example, if I want to send 50 euros, you can see how much they will receive, and then you can just go and click on continue. Now you can choose the delivery method, so bank deposit or cash pickup. I'll go with a bank deposit. Then here I can pick their bank, for example, First Bank. Then here I need to enter their NUBAN so that they can actually receive it. And then if it's your first transfer, you will also need to enter some details about yourself, such as your name. You may need to provide a reason for the transfer, for example, family support or to pay for a vacation, whatever you want. And then just gonna pay for the transfer using the payment method that you want to use. And after doing that, it will be successfully sent to Nigeria. So now you know the best way to send money to Nigeria. Again, you can get a discount by signing up through the link down in the description. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel.